Today we will explore the key section for products or service page. First is hero banner, second listing of services, why choose section, certificate and awards, case study and success stories, testimonial section, FAQs, CTA section, and the last contact form section. Let's see it live. First is hero banner. Second, listing of services used for comprehensive overview of our specialized offering. Here is why choose us section for highlighting the unique benefits and expertise we provide. Next, testimonial section for genuine feedback from satisfied client. Next, CTA used for clear call to action for immediate engagement. Last, contact form for easy way to get in touch for inquiries and support. Now you have seen the essential elements that makes product or service page effective. Stay tuned with 9 eCommerce for our next post, where we will providing tips to optimize your website and boost your business success.